Hey guys, it's Frances, and I have been completely obsessed with fall flowers. These days are all over the grocery stores and Target, and I just love the color combination, so I decided to go with that. My base polish is going to be this KB Shimmer #Squad Ghouls, and it's a gorgeous green jelly with these orange and yellow flakes in it. I thought it would be beautiful. And I'm going to be using these Ejiubas plates. This is one of their newer ones, and I will link the information below where I got it. I got it from Amazon, but I'll link the plates for you below so that if you're interested, you can pick them up. And they have all these really gorgeous flowers on them and some dots and things like that too. Great for spring, but I thought fall flowers. And I'm going to be stamping with this Insta-Dry, the Crayola one in Sunset Orange. Here's a Twinkled T, and it's a darker yellow color, and this Cad's in white. And I'll have to get you the name of the Twinkled T one. And I'm using this clear stamper, and I've put a dot on it. My friend Guyleen325, I was watching one of her videos, and that showed how she put a dot on it, so you know which direction is north. So when you're double, triple stamping, it's very, very helpful. And I'm going to start out with white as my base for this image, just to make the other colors pop, since I have such a dark base color. Sometimes the lighter colors have a hard time competing with that base color. So I'm going to triple stamp. I'm going to clean off in between with acetone and my cotton claw and a cotton ball. And then I'm going to, on top of that white, I'm going to do a yellow. And I was just really drawn to this sunflower daisy image. I really love them at fall time too. I just think they're beautiful in all their warm colors. So I'm going to try and lay that pretty much right on top of the white. If a little bit of the white peeks through, I wasn't too upset about it. I probably should have put on a liquid latex barrier, but it wasn't that big a deal. I just came in afterwards with some tape and some acetone to take off all the excess around my finger. And then my last layer will be that orange layer. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up. The nice thing about these Ejiubas plates is you really can't scrape too hard. If you scrape, they're so deeply etched that you're really not going to dry out the paint, and you're not going to lose a lot of the paint. They're really nice especially for new stamper, somebody new to stamping. Depth of them gives you a little more time to play with the image, and you don't have to be as quick, and the image won't dry up as quickly, so you don't have to be as fast, so you can take your time a little bit more. So that's really nice for a brand new stamper. It's nice for a seasoned stamper too. So then I'm going to just take the tip of this smaller daisy, and I'm going to do the same technique in a couple different places on my middle finger. So I'm going to put like 3/4 of the image on the tip of my nail. And I'm going to go ahead and add the yellow and the orange on top of those as well. And then I did the second one off camera, just because you probably didn't have to watch me do the process again and again and again. And I think that these images would be so beautiful with like a rusty red color too. I didn't really have that one in my stamping arsenal, but that would be a really gorgeous fall color to mix and match with this as well. And that final layer of the orange is coming in. And if you look, there are tons of really beautiful images on these plates. Okay, and there's that last layer. And like I said, I do another one towards the top of my finger, and you'll see through the power of editing what that looks like in just a moment. And then I will top everything off with a fast dry top coat, just to seal in that design. And sometimes stamping polish can be a little bit matte, so just to give it that shine, it helps those, look at those glitters pop right through the bottom of that. I love this polish, and I love this design. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a message, and I will try to get back to you as quick as possible. I know I haven't been really great at getting back to comments as quickly as I should, but I'm definitely making an effort. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you again next time.